Let's make career in beatboxing. Hello everyone, this is Sudeep and you're watching me on your very own YouTube channel run by Astute Online Education Center. Thank you so much to all the viewers who have subscribed to our channel. Those who haven't done it, please do it as early as possible. Well, please watch this video till the very end if you wish to pursue music as a career. Here you will know all about a special segment of the music industry, beatboxing. Listen carefully to our rock star, Nikhil Gupta. Nikhil has done Bachelor of Science in Visual Communication from AAT College, Bangalore, Karnataka. He is a versatile beatboxer and has handled many important projects like post-production for short films, MTV and Channel V dropout promos, the background scoring and sound designing for Cureka, which is a game available on Play Store. A sincere thanks to Dr. Mrs. Vandana Gupta for conducting this very important interview for our channel. Dr. Vandana Gupta is a former national tennis player and an academician with more than 20 years of hands-on experience in the field of education. She has widely traveled across the globe and has the privilege of attending the Innovation Camp for Educational Professionals in 2017 at Finland to gain insight from the world's most successful education system and pedagogical practices. So, dear all, let's now watch this exclusive interview.
His beatboxing performance is amazing, divine, and portrays his unmatchable talent. I have listened to him many times. With every performance, he brings a fresh feel of breeze. It gives goosebumps to see him producing such crystal clear and thumping sounds. His performance will absolutely captivate you. Here is introducing to you Nikhil Gupta.
Who's that dude with the sub in his mouth? Bustin' roofers, middle of the crowd. I spit on the mic and yeah, it's loud. I kill the beat with no cliche sounds. Tapping in realm of the real hip-hop. I'm making the sound with a knock in the pop. I'm planting the seeds and I'm reaping the crop. Started from bottom, reaching the top. Yeah.
Well, without taking much of your time, let me invite our very own young, handsome, extremely confident and talented Nikhil Gupta. Hello and welcome to the show, Nikhil.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
It's really a pleasure to be interviewing somebody as talented as you, Nikhil. But before I ask you a number of questions about your unique passion, please tell me something about yourself.
So, ma'am, I'm basically a music producer. I'm also a beatbox artist at the same time. And this journey has been 6 years long now. It's been quite a ride. Started off with engineering, mechanical engineering. And post that course, wanted to pursue sound engineering and give music a chance.
Well, now tell us something about beatboxing. Why did you choose to do it?
So, long time back, I saw this reality show on MTV called Kurkure Desi Beats Rock On with MTV. And I saw a contestant from Bangalore. He just came to the stage and he started beatboxing. And I was so amazed by the fact that he could just do it using no instrument, just his voice. And then and there itself, I decided that I want to pursue this seriously.
So my next question to you, Nikhil, is that what efforts did you put in to find and polish your art form?
Ma'am, I have a strong belief in basically muscle memory, ma'am. So I think you need to put enough time into anything to make it like a muscle memory. I guess minimum 10,000 hours is what I believe must be spent intensively just to polish your skill.
But as an Indian, how would you rate our standing in beatboxing across the world?
So yeah, our standing in beatboxing across the world basically is not so strong enough right now. I mean, it's growing definitely. It's not like it's not there. It started off quickly, but it still has time to grow because we don't have major platforms like probably other countries like America or France, where the beatbox scene is quite prominent. It's well nourished, it's well flourished. So India still has to see a lot of platform. First of all, we need to educate the public also. I mean, like, what is beatbox, whether it is music or not, what is it related to? These things need to be answered in a public domain first, and then, then we can go forward.
So, how long do you think beatboxing will take to blow up in India?
As you know, like how the hip hop scene is growing in India, with a lot of underground artists are now getting to the mainstream, and basically this whole movement had been already there since 2000, almost, as far as I know of. It took almost 10-15 years for that whole underground scene to come to the mainstream, and now because they've given us a platform, I guess the other side of the hip hop, which is basically beatbox, can now be also showcased in a different manner now. So maybe not like really long, but yeah, I guess like still we have like a couple of years for it to completely boom in India.
Nikhil, my next question to you is this art form, beatboxing. Do you think it is innate talent or do you require any coaching to refine this art form?
Ma'am, it's not an inborn talent. It's something that you come across in a very weird manner. I'm pretty sure like as kids we've all made weird noises. It's just like the structure of the mouth is just like a synthesizer. It's a very systematic mechanism. The way you open your mouth, the way you close, the way you inhale and you exhale, and the vibration caused because of the tongue, and the way you're able to pronounce certain letters. So this whole thing basically is very systematic, and this is something that you need to practice and polish it over a period of time, because your mouth is not basically trained to do this like when you're born. You basically make it like a muscle memory. That's what I told before. Like you need to invest a certain amount of time for your mouth to start doing certain sounds, but once you polish them, it's a direct connection between the mind and the mouth. It's just like brain is directly wired to the mouth.
So, can you please suggest a place to the people who are connecting with us today on this show as to where they can learn this art form, Nikhil?
So, ma'am, what I believe is that art form can be learned basically everywhere. Specifically, if you talk about beatboxing, it's nothing much. It's just like learning sounds. You can do that at your home to begin with, but then you need to join a community where things are taken like pretty seriously. With beatboxing growing globally now, it's very easy for someone to learn beatbox, and like we also specialize into this only. We teach kids basically how to about everything about production, basically beatbox production, hip hop production, and the technical aspects of recording arts. Everything. It's a complete package. And if you want, you can find those details on my website, which is www.barsandbeats.com. barsnbeats.com. You can find my contact details there, and you can contact me further for the inquiry.
Well, thank you very much, Nikhil. It was absolutely a pleasure connecting with you. And before we wrap up this interview, with one small request for you to perform for us once again.
Sure. Right, basic beat.
That's right. Yep. Who's that dude with the sub in his mouth? Bustin' Rufus, regular the crowd. I spit on the mic and yeah, it's loud. I kill the beat with no cliche sounds. Laughing in realm of the real hip hop. I'm making the sound with the mouth in the pop. I'm planting the seeds and I'm reaping the crop. Started from bottom, I'm reaching the top. Yeah. Now listen, this shit gets serious. The haters always hating me, they swelling on the periods. But I do it for a living, and I'm earning my cereal. So screw them haters, cause I got the best material. Bustin' Rufus, regular the crowd. I spit on the mic and yeah, it's loud. I kill the beat with no cliche sounds. Tapping in realm of the real hip hop. I'm making the sound with the mouth in the pop.